We filled a large test tube about 1/4 of the way with copper 2 chloride solution. We then placed it in a small beaker. We then added a small piece of aluminum wire, which was 3 centimeters long, and dropped it into the copper 2 chloride solution. First, we placed a dropper full of hydrogen peroxide into a large test tube. We placed the test tube into a small beaker and added a few grains of baker's yeast to the test tube. We filled a large test tube about 1/4 of the way full with hydrochloric acid. We then got a 1 inch of magnesium filling. We placed the test tube into a small beaker. We added the magnesium fillings and put the second test tube directly over the top of the first to capture the gas given off. Here's the flaming splint by the test tube.
Holy.
We squirted a dropper full of ethanol alcohol onto a watch glass and immediately and carefully lit it with a flaming splint. The fire goes out by itself, so there's no cleanup necessary. We filled a small test tube about 1/4 the way full of magnesium sulfate. Next, we added a few drops of calcium chloride. We placed it in an ice bath for 1 minute. We got a 2 centimeter piece of copper sheet metal. We held it with crucible tongs over the Bunsen burner for 2 minutes until the change is observed. We added 8 drops of copper 2 sulfate into a test tube and then added 16 drops of sodium hydroxide and then stirred them all together. Crystals form on the side of the tube.